Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error on Instagram disabling your account. Also it's really hard to restore your account. So in my opinion, the better way is to just to create new account. But if you want to restore a previous account, so you can also try to tap on learn more and just follow instructions. So no, but I will tell you that you can recover it only if it's your own account. If you have the photo of yourself and it's not account where you just post some cars, beauty, travel, so it's not your own photos on it. So uh, in most cases Instagram won't recover such account like I tell you. So you just need to create new account. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.